Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to cook rice in a pot. So if you watch Uncle Roger, he always said that you have to have a rice cooker to cook rice, but I'm going to show you how all you need is just a regular pot that you can cook a really fluffy rice. So what I have here is jasmine rice, Thai jasmine rice. So I always use this as a measurement right here. Condensed milk can. I'm cooking for 4 people, so I have 2 cans of Thai jasmine rice right here. So let me show you how to cook a very fluffy jasmine rice. The first thing you need to do to cook rice is you want to get the starch out of the rice as much as possible. So the only way you can do that is by washing it. So like that. So you don't want a lot of starch in your rice. Look at how milky it is. That's the starch that's coming out. So pour it out. So washing it until I see clear water. Put some more water. Just do like that right here. And see how milky it is? This is a second rinse. This is a third one. So after third and the fourth rinse, the water can clear. So this is the third one. Just I do a couple more. So this is the fourth rinse right here. You see the water can clear. I'm going to do one more. I'm going to do it 5 times. Okay, see the water really clear now? After the 5th rinse, that's good enough. So I'm going to put water. So this is the way I cook rice. Okay, they always I don't measure how much water I put in there. Most people tell you, you put like a knuckle like this right here. Measure it, get to your knuckle right here. Or measure until put your hand there until you see on top of the hand right here. But I don't care how much water I put in. Look at that. I put a lot of water in there, and that's the way I cook my rice right here. So I turn on the stove to high heat. And I don't even put a lid on. Basically, I just leave it open. And I bring the water to a boil and let it boil for about 2 minutes. And then I drain all the water out and then put a lid on and reduce the heat to low and just let it sit there for another about 10 minutes. The rice would be really fluffy. So let's wait until the water start boiling. Okay, right now it's boiling. So when it starts boiling like this, look at the time right here, 6:29. So I let it sit on the stove high heat for 2 minutes before I drain out the water. So for 2 minutes. Well, water is splashing everywhere, so I'm not going to cover it, but I'm going to just put the lid on top of it, not covering it. So this way, preventing the water from splashing all over the stove here. So let it boil high heat for 2 minutes. All right, it's about 2 minutes now. So okay, so it's about 2 minutes now. So I'm gonna just drain it out. Draining out the water. I just leave a little bit right here. You see that? I drain almost completely. I just leave a little bit of water inside there. See, just still a little bit left. Don't drain all the way completely. Just leave a little bit of water. And then I come back to the stove and then I cover it. And then I reduce the heat to close to low right here, around number 1 right there. And I let it sit there for 10 minutes. So right now it's 6:31. So 6:41 should be done. All right, it's about 10 minutes now. So it's 10 minutes now. Just look at the rice, it's already fluffy already. Just turn off the stove and take off the lid. As you can see right here, it's very fluffy. See that? You can't be any fluffier than that. The rice already cooked. So this is how you cook a fluffy jasmine rice in a pot. You don't need a rice cooker. If you follow my direction, you have the fluffy rice to eat all the time. See, very fluffy. So I hope you learned something here. If you like my video, please like, share, and subscribe. Bye-bye.